You cannot mess around with barcodes on Amazon. So many people make this mistake. Their products get taken down, their accounts get taken down. It's so simple to get it right. So let me explain to you Amazon barcodes. There's something called GS1 barcode. You can look it up. It's this universal organization that controls UPC, the Universal Product Code. This is the barcode that you see on all the different products. If you buy the wrong one, or if you don't have the right one, what's gonna happen is Amazon is eventually gonna kick you off of Amazon, or it's not even gonna let you on Amazon because you have the wrong barcode. So how do you know if you have the right or the wrong barcode? Well, first of all, do you have a gs1.org account? If you don't, go get one. Number two, that barcode that you have on your product, is it from GS1 and is it your account, your GS1 account? If it's not, go get one on GS1 and then register your product. It's super simple. Once you buy the barcode, you just say, okay, add a new product. You put your product information. It gives you the barcode. And now you have a UPC code that you own through GS1. And on your next run, all you have to do is relabel your products. Now, if you have an ASIN on Amazon and it has a certain UPC code, you cannot change that UPC code. As soon as you change it, you have now lost that ASIN. So you have a couple of options. You can launch the product as a variation, and it's gonna be very similar, but as a variation. You can discontinue the old variation, which is the one with the UPC code, the old UPC code that you don't control, and add the new variation, which is with the new UPC code. Now, you don't have to do this right away. You could do this as a last resort. So if you're selling well on Amazon, don't do anything. Just add that variation, keep the listing closed. If anything happens and they start risking and saying, well, this UPC code is not a real UPC code, blah, 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 you don't own it, we're gonna kick you off of Amazon, you now have a backup plan. All you have to do is relabel that inventory, because again, it could be the inventory with the old UPC code, and you just put that label, cover the old UPC code with the new UPC code on your products, send the inventory, and then as this goes away, the old variation, the new variation comes in, you maintain that same parent listing, which has all of the reviews. So if you have 10,000 reviews and you do a new UPC code, you're gonna lose all of that. But if it's a variation, it's not a problem. But you just have to be really hedged and ready to go for that if you don't own that UPC code. If you do own it, you're good, you're in the clear, and it has to be a GS1 barcode. What I've seen is so many times people are selling a product and then the actual UPC code owner comes in and they actually steal that product away from the brand, and now that brand can't sell it anymore and they're freaking out, right? So make sure that you do everything right. And also it really helps to have a registered trademark, or even just, you applied for the trademark and have brand registry, so you can tell Amazon that you own that product and you own that brand. Doing everything right on Amazon, trust me, in the long term will pay off. I know it's a lot of little things. Watch my videos, understand all the right things to do. If you do the right things, Amazon's game becomes super easy, and everyone else who's struggling die down, and you succeed and you continue to make money. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.